crossed the border yet, the priest told his congregation, but it exists among us, in the people who fled their homes. People like Vera. At home in Ukraine, Vera was a teacher. She thought they'd only be away for a week.
I pray for Ukraine, for our soldiers, for our people, for our future. For the future.
A future, a hope. Back in the church attic.
Crisis, more than 11,000 people have begun the process of applying.
And the new visa scheme was opened on Friday. Today, the Home Office said it had so far granted 50 visas. But after meeting the Ukrainian,
This is the first scheme in the world that's up and running.
budget, 5,500 submitted, 2,000 interview appointments booked, and over 50 applications granted.
So we're not complaining. So that's how we go over there.
Yuri is an electrician in Maidstone. His partner, Anastasia, escaped across the Ukrainian border 7 days ago. Now they're in Calais trying to navigate her visa application.
Why it was difficult? Because the website that's where we supposed to upload our documents, it wasn't working. So it was just bugging from time to time. So